Hello, welcome to Celebrate Beer, part of the Red Deer Brewers Network. Today I'm cleaning kegs, so I'm going to show you how I do it. If you got any comments or want to give me any tips, throw them in the comments and we'll go from there. I'm always looking to improve. I don't think I know everything. I know I need to learn. So if there's any helpful hints, you can pass them along. The first one is I put masking tape on my kegs to tell them apart when they're full. And sometimes the tape doesn't want to come off. This one's doing a good job, but it's helpful if the kegs are warm, more helpful. So I take it off, my label, release the pressure, open her up. Set the lid aside, and since I'm doing this stuff outside, I usually give everything a rinse with the garden hose. This is probably my last weekend to do stuff outside. I have a fairly busy October, and then it's going to be snow. So yeah. So we rinse out any yeast or trub that's settled on the bottom, or any proteins or whatever. And then we put her in line. Now, I got a keg on here already that's cleaning. Unplug the pump. I've got a homemade pond pump doing the cleaning for me. So I take this out, the lid, put that over here, take the lid, toss it in the bucket, let it soak, hook it up. I got a liquid and a gas line. Make sure they're the right way. That noise. We leave that for like 10-15 minutes. What I have in the bucket is warm water, hot water to start out with, but after a couple kegs it gets pretty warm and cool. And some PBW just in there, going through the posts and splashing up into the thing. So now that I pulled this one off, of there's a little bit of PBW residue in there. So I rinse it again with the garden hose and get splashed a little bit in the face. Fine. It's only water, not made of sugar. Give the inside of the keg a rinse. Okay, and then it goes over here and it waits its turn. So now what I do is I start on one side with the dirty kegs, and I move them to the other side through the bucket, and they're pre-rinsed, ready to get one final rinse. So after I'm done washing everything, I'll take my PBW water, empty it out in the back alley. And then I will take the bucket and the pump, rinse it out, take it in the house, fill it full of hot water, come back out and rinse the kegs again, just so I get the inside of the tubes and all the nooks and crannies. I put them on there for, again, 5 minutes a piece to rinse, and then she's done. That's about it. That's how I clean my kegs. All right. If you liked it, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right. I'll take any advice I can get. Pretty easy that way. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. We will see you later.